Student, I am Ranjit sir, and today student we are going to study trigonometry. Already this lesson we have studied in standard 9. Clear? So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is what? Tri means 3, gono means sides, and metry means measurement. Okay student, tri, gono means side, metry means measurement. Means measurement of 3 sides of a triangle is called as trigonometry. Measurement of 3 sides of a triangle is called as trigonometry. Now question is student, where we will use trigonometry? Where we will use trigonometry? So trigonometry can be used only in right angle triangles. Where you will use student? In right angle triangles. So this is used in right angle triangle. Okay student? Right angle triangle. What do you mean by right angle triangle? If in a triangle, if one angle is what student? 90 degree, then we will say that the given triangle is a right angle triangle. For example, this is triangle A, B and C, and here angle B is what student? Angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, we will say that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle at where student? Angle ABC is equal to 90. Now triangle ABC is right angle triangle where angle B is what student? 90 degree. So in the previous class, that is in standard 9, you have studied what? Trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Sine, cos and tan. And remaining part of that we will study in class 10th. So already you have studied what student? Sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. And remaining part we will study like what student? Cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Okay student? We will study what? Cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Now student, you will remember this what? OAO upon ha. Okay, what you will remember? OAO upon ha. Meaning is that student, either you remember like this, O hero, A hero, OA. O hero, A hero, OA. O hero means O by H, which will give us sine theta. A hero, A by H, which will give us cos theta. OA, O upon H will give us tan theta. So student, when we will talk about sine theta, so this will be what? This will be O upon H. Okay student? If we will talk about cos theta, so this will be what? A upon H. If you will talk about tan theta, so this will be what? O by A. Clear student? When we will talk about sine theta, so O upon S, that is what? Opposite side to the hypotenuse. I will make here one angle student. Angle ACB is theta. Angle ACB is what student? Theta. So the side which is opposite to angle theta is called as opposite side. The side which is opposite to 90 degree, that is called as hypotenuse. right? And this remaining side, that is BC, is called as adjacent side. Clear, friend? So without making any disturbance in the mind, if you know triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and angle BCA is what? Theta degree. So you can usually confirm which side will be opposite side, which side will be hypotenuse, and which side will be adjacent side. Clear? So here, student, now the remaining what we are going to study, that is cot theta. Cot theta is what, student? Opposite of tan theta. Cot theta is what? Opposite of tan theta. That means what you will write, student? A by O. Clear? Now, when we will talk for sec theta, so sec theta is what, student? Opposite of cos theta. So A by H can be written as H by A. And that is what? Last one, that is what? Cosec theta. Cosec theta is what? Opposite of sin theta. That can be written as H by O. Now here, what is O, what is H, and what is A? You know very well. What is O? Opposite side. What is A? Adjacent side. And what is H? Hypotenuse. Now we can find all the trigonometric ratios of triangle AB and C. So student, what will be sin theta then? Opposite to the hypotenuse. What is opposite side? Opposite side is AB upon hypotenuse is, yes, AC. Here for cos theta, what is adjacent side, student?
BC.
BC, and divided by hypotenuse A and AC. Similarly, student, you will calculate tan theta, opposite side to the adjacent side. What is opposite side, student? AB. What is adjacent side? BC. Similarly, for cot theta, what is adjacent side? BC. What is opposite side? AB. For sec theta, hypotenuse, AC, and what is adjacent side? BC. Similarly, for cosec theta, hypotenuse is what? AC, and opposite side is what, student? AB. Now in this way, you are going to find out different ratios of triangle A, B and C. Now student, we know that what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, right? Clear, student? What is sin theta? Sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta. Because cosec theta is opposite of sin theta. Cosec theta is what, student? Cosec theta. Cosec theta is opposite of what, student? Sin theta. Sin theta is opposite of what, student? Cosec theta. When you will multiply these two, that is what? Sin theta into cosec theta. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to what, student? 1. When sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, and sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, student, tan theta is equal to what, student? 1 upon cot theta, or you may write cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, and tan theta into multiply tan theta into cot theta. This is equal to, again, student, 1. So tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Now similarly, student, we'll find cos theta. Cos theta is what, student? Cos theta is opposite of sec theta, or you may say that, or what you will say, sec theta is opposite of what? Cos theta. And you will write cos theta into sec theta. This is equal to 1. Clear, student?
Yes.
Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Now we have what? We have three things. One is what? Sin theta. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into what? Sec theta. This is equal to 1. And tan theta into cot theta. This is again equal to 1. Okay, student? So sin theta into cosec theta is what? 1. Then what? Cos theta into sec theta is what? 1. Tan theta into cot theta is what? 1. Okay, student? Now remaining part of this lesson we will study in next video. So thank you for watching my videos.